Welcome back, folks. I just thought I'd just do a quick little video saying thank you to all our subscribers, or I like to call them friends. We've now got 315, which is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. In November, which is 1st of March now, or 2nd of March, in November of last year, that's only about 3 months ago, I went and had an MRI scan. One of these where they push up that tube. And the lad that's operating it, Kent Bendo, we are talking about painting and that, and he says, give us your YouTube details and I'll have a look while you're up the tube. So while I was up the tube listening to Frank Sinatra's Kill the Sound, he was looking at my channel. And when I came out, it was so nice. He says, Frank, he says, I am your 100th subscriber, which I thought, well, that's fantastic, that's lovely, and it makes my day. And of course, it made the day even better. You know, just going home, I said to Carol, on the way home, I said, Kent Bendo is now my 100th subscriber. And I thought we'd never get to 100. But now, you've managed to push it up to 300. So thank you very much for all your efforts, the people that subscribed and told your friends to subscribe. And we're having a great time. But so I'm not very good on the buttons and that. But I'm all right on the paintbrush. But you know, we've got. I keep seeing that we've got friends in USA, in Australia, South Korea, the whole of Europe, and then of course don't forget the lovely people in the United Kingdom, and of course don't forget Ireland. They don't want to forget, the Irish don't like to forget them. So we've got that lot. Now, I paint. I've painted for many years, but for the last 25 years, I've been painting on cruise ships. Teaching people how to paint, and I've been lucky enough to go on 8 full world cruises, which is 4 months at a time. So I've been around the world 8 times, and that many times I'm dizzy. So that's how many times we've been around. But we've seen some lovely stuff. Carol and I, of course, I take Carol with me. You know, I don't spoil her, and of course, and I come back now and I think, well, you know, I've taught in lots of land courses like tuition in the Dordogne and the Loire Valley and Provence and the Tuscan Mountains and Malta Gozo, you name it. I've tutored courses all over there, and I enjoyed every one of them, and enjoyed all the people I've met. And I've met some lovely people. So it's just to say thank you. I'm sure some of these subscribers are amongst these, and welcome back. I'd love to see you again. Yeah. But I say when I paint to enjoy myself. But if you've any suggestions that you might like to explore, and if provided they're not rude, apart from when joking about Fred and Mabel, you can be rude as you like on them, and I'll try to help. Someone suggested perspective earlier, and I did a lesson on perspective. Someone did a lesson on skies. So I've just done a series of 8 skies, different types of skies, and being a Yorkshireman, I didn't waste the sky, so I had to paint a little picture underneath it. So they turned into pictures, which is nice, and it saves me paper. And as I say, when you subscribe or join us, it doesn't cost you a penny. So being a Yorkshireman, I love that it's free. So what I'm doing now is, but I will try to help, and the next one we're trying to do is composition. But the reason I'm saying that composition because it's getting to spring now, and we've had our jab, and we're looking for our second one, and hopefully we'll be out again soon, and enjoying life as normal. But until we do, I thought we'd plan a bit, get some composition tips and hints and things like that, and then what to do when you go outside. You know, where's the edge of the paper? What to put in? What to leave out? You know, and people get a bit nervous about sitting outside with a paintbrush because the first thing it attracts people who are interested, which is understandable. But they're interested in looking at you painting, and you're thinking, oh, they're criticising, but they're not. they're thinking, "Boy, I wish I could do that." So just think that way, and you'll be all right. But anyway, we'll cover that all in composition on our next lesson. So until next time, folks, I just wanted to say thank you again to all you lovely subscribers or friends or unfriends, and invite your friends as well, and we'll have more and more. Yeah. So until the composition lesson, it's goodbye. Goodbye, folks. Bye.